Forget everything you thought you knew about AI. Nvidia didn't just stumble into dominance, they engineered it. For years, analysts dismissed them as a graphics card company. But now, Nvidia controls the entire AI landscape, supplying the hardware and software that powers everything from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. This isn't luck, it's a calculated strategy. Let's break down exactly how they pulled this off and what it means for your career. Ready to understand the power behind the AI revolution? This video is all about understanding why Nvidia won the AI race. We're going to dive deep into the strategic decisions, technological advantages, and a little bit of timing that led to their current position. We'll explore design choices, strategic partnerships, and even a touch of luck. We'll start by looking at the explosive growth of AI itself and how Nvidia has become the central player in this transformation. Then, we'll unpack the specific reasons behind their success. Finally, we'll discuss what this means for you, the potential impact on your career and future opportunities. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the core issue. AI, specifically deep learning, demands serious computational power. Deep learning models are essentially massive mathematical equations. They require an insane amount of processing to train. Traditionally, this kind of intensive calculation was handled by CPUs, central processing units. But CPUs aren't designed for this type of massively parallel processing. They're optimized for sequential tasks. That's where GPUs, graphics processing units, come in. GPUs are designed to perform the same operation on many pieces of data simultaneously. Think of it like a massive team of workers, all doing the same task at once, vastly speeding up calculations. And Nvidia's been at the forefront of this technology, particularly with their tensor cores. These specialized cores are specifically designed to accelerate deep learning operations. They're a game changer. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Nvidia didn't just build powerful GPUs, they created a platform around them. CUDA. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is Nvidia's proprietary parallel computing platform. It allows developers to leverage the power of their GPUs for general-purpose computing tasks, not just graphics. But CUDA is more than just hardware. It's a complete ecosystem. Nvidia provides libraries, tools, and extensive developer support. This has created a massive network effect, a huge community of developers building on top of CUDA. This is often called the CUDA effect. It's driven AI development and, crucially, solidified Nvidia's position as the dominant player. You'll see examples of CUDA being used in popular AI frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow. Nvidia's success didn't happen in a vacuum. It was fueled by strategic partnerships, most notably with Google. Initially, Google developed its own tensor processing units, TPUs, specialized hardware for AI. However, Nvidia's advancements and CUDA's widespread adoption put pressure on Google. This competition forced Nvidia to innovate, leading to the development of tensor cores, which are now a core part of their GPUs. Beyond Google, Nvidia has strong partnerships with Microsoft, Amazon, and countless startups. These collaborations provide access to vast data sets and a pool of talented AI engineers. Crucially, Nvidia didn't just react to competition, they actively led the way. They anticipated trends and adapted their strategy accordingly. Let's be honest, Nvidia's rise coincided perfectly with the explosion of deep learning. Nvidia was already a leader in GPU technology for gaming, but they quickly adapted this technology for AI workloads. They were early adopters, and that foresight proved invaluable. Nvidia strategically focused on the enterprise market, targeting data centers and cloud providers. This was a smart move, as these organizations were rapidly adopting AI. They capitalized on the increasing demand for AI infrastructure, becoming the go-to supplier for companies building out their AI capabilities. And of course, their brand recognition and established customer base gave them a significant advantage. It's easy to focus on the hardware, but Nvidia's software ecosystem is equally crucial. They've invested heavily in AI development platforms like NGC, the Nvidia GPU Cloud. NGC provides pre-built AI models and tools, simplifying development and deployment for users. This comprehensive approach, hardware and software, simplifies AI development and deployment for users, making it easier than ever to get started. It's not just about the hardware, the software ecosystem is equally crucial. Now let's talk about how you can benefit from all of this. Affiliate tool recommendation. I use Brilliant for learning about complex topics like AI. It's a fantastic way to visualize and understand the concepts. Affiliate tool. Recommendation. If you're looking for great documentaries and educational content, CuriosityStream is a fantastic resource. Affiliate tool recommendation, and don't forget about Audible. Perfect for diving into books about AI and technology while you're on the go. So, what's next for Nvidia and the AI race? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think will be the next big breakthrough in AI? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.